General Motors to receive $200 million funding for battery material facility in Canada. The federal government of Canada and the Quebec Province are investing a combined total of $300 million to support the first installation of Cathode Active Material CAM, to be built by GM Canada and POSCO FutureM located at Cancour. This project will also create an estimated 200 jobs, and GM's Ultium battery cells will use CAM from the facility when it is anticipated to open in 2025. It is coming at a time when Canadian EV supply is growing, particularly in Europe, as recently noted by Canada's Minister of Innovation, Science, and Industry, François-Philippe Champagne. Volkswagen and Mercedes-Benz have previously signed agreements with the federal government for their own battery production and materials exploration in Canada. Source: reposted and summarized from Maria Morano at teslaupdate.